Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the random monochrome effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, scroll down to find the random monochrome effect. Now we're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip and then elongate the rest of the effect to fit the entirety of the clip. And with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the color, filter, strength, and the speed. You guys will be able to mess around with these to fit your effect needs. And we can also add keyframes, and we have a video on keyframes as well. So let's check it out. And there you guys have it, the random monochrome effect. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.